The Templeton STEM program is a collaborative initiative between a couple of departments. We have the Applied Skills, Math, and Science, and the goal was to break the silos down between those individual subjects and put it together into this like cohort, which is basically really just engineering. So the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics is what STEM stands for. And so the idea is to get students to come in, and the vehicle that we use is project-based learning. And so we're getting the students to basically work all year on projects, and that's all we do. So it's not textbook work, there's no worksheets, we don't go through units in that way. It's all, you have a project and you just move forward with the project and hopefully achieve some kind of realistic, authentic goal that would reflect the kind of things that you see in technologies in the real world.
So I think when you're learning, when you learn math and physics in school or science, you don't really think about, like, my friend has a good analogy for it. It's like, where are you going to spend that? And in the sense that you learn something, but then you think, what can I use this for? So let's say in grade 10 you're learning about factoring and algebra, and you're saying, like, when can I actually apply this? But then when you see in like project-based learning, when you learn a math concept or a physics concept, and you'd see how, like, using that knowledge you can apply it to like design new like technologies and like improve upon current things, because you actually understand like how that's used. And so that's really useful. And also like learning skills that actually can be used to, like, learning skills that you can use to actually build things, and learning new things is a lot more useful than just sort of sitting there and saying like, oh, I'll learn that in university, because that's what you do then.
Is that they're not motivated to learn the material in its own right. They're motivated to learn it because they get good marks, and that's like a vehicle that leads to some other goal. But the goal, that what they're doing currently, it only exists for the value of the culture of school. It has no external value. So I think that the project-based learning, if you choose the right projects, I think the idea of tying that to something real, the outside world, that's the real value, I think, is legitimacy, right? And hopefully that leads to motivation for the students, right? That they're motivated to study.